Hello, hello, hello. How are you, my friend? I hope you are well. Beautiful today, one. Even funny math. We are together with the question asked in the Olympics. Now first, let's start the question now. We will use the property of exponential numbers here. Exponents with the same base as a to the b. What happens when we say times a to c? We were collecting the tops because the soles were the same. Let's use this now. If to the 2 times x, then 75 is equal. Now my 2 times x here. What we see. I need to take it down. What should I buy for him, guys? I get the logarithm. What if I get the logarithm? 5 to the 2 times x is equal to logarithm 75. Let's immediately remember the feature of logarithm again. Logarithm. To be, the expression we call b here hits in front of the logarithm. Was coming as, what will happen in this case? B times logarithm will turn into a. Let's use the same feature here now. 2 times x times logarithm. What could it be? 2 times x times the logarithm 5 is equal to logarithm 75. Now let's divide both sides by logarithm 5, guys. 2 times x is equal to logarithm 75 divided by logarithm. It's been 5. How can we write this number that we see 75 here? Let's think a little. I said 2 times x is equal to logarithm open brackets. 25 times 3 divided by logarithm can be written as 5. Now let's remember the other feature of logarithm immediately. Logarithm, a times the expression we call b. Logarithm a plus logarithm b. We could express it, then let's use this feature. 2 times x is equal to logarithm 25 plus logarithm 3. What have I done to the shape of logarithm 5 again? I said that. Are you listening, my friend? Yes, it's a funny question. If we continue, now these expressions have common denominators. What can I do with them? I can separate, so I say 2 times x is equal to logarithm 25 divided by logarithm 5 plus logarithm 3 over logarithm 5. What did I write? Then I continued. Again, you see here. We can change this expression a little more. 2 times x is equal to logarithm 5 squared over logarithm of 5 plus logarithm 3. I can write in the form of logarithm 5. Later, what can I do with these 2 times? I can throw them in front of you. 2 times x is equal to 2 times logarithm 5 over logarithm 5 plus logarithm. I wrote it as 3 divided logarithm 5. If you pay attention, these expressions, what will he do? What's left we have 2 times x is 2 plus. Due to the feature of logarithm in this expression, how can it be written? So what do I mean? Logarithm a over logarithm b, we call the expression we. How could we write? We could write the logarithm base b as a. Then what will this friend have become? Logarithm has turned into 3 in base 5. Of course, because he wants x from us, both sides. We need to divide it by 2. Divided both sides in 2. Then what came the expression we call x? 2 plus logarithm base 5 is divided by 2. Now that we found, let's show the truth, guys. Where to show, for example, we can express it here. Now let's remember what was our initial question. 5 to the 2 times x is equal to whom? 75, then 5 to the 2 times x is equal to 75. Let's try to write the value we found now. 5 times, over 5. 2 times what we found the solution. 2 plus logarithm. 5 in base 3. So 5 in base 3. I closed it. We found the bracket divided by 2. I'm looking to see if 75 is equal. Of course, what will be the first thing that will attract your attention here? These can lead to each other. Let's remember what the properties of exponential numbers
Above
are.
A,
How could we write b to c? We could express what we were doing in the form of a to the b times c. What did I write immediately because of this feature? 5 to the 2 plus logarithm 5 based 3. I'm really looking to see if 75 equals. Now I think, what can I do after here? Let's see a little more. Now let's write a feature again. How can we write the expression we call a to the b plus c? We can express it to the b times a to the c. Then let's use this feature right here. So 5 of square times logarithm 5 on base 3. I wrote this, I said it's equal to who? 75. Now let's think about what we can do next. Look, logarithm has a feature again, friends. What was that a on logarithm, a base b? What was it doing? Could replace a and b. So what will this expression become? The logarithm above b will convert to a in base a. Let's apply this immediately. 5 squared times logarithm over 3. 5 in base 5. This is how it happened. Let's consider one other feature immediately. 1. What was our other feature? About logarithm. Logarithm base a, what is it equal to, friends? Equals 1 here. Yes, we are really looking to see if 75 are equal. If we continue, what happened here? We said 5 squared times, this is 1. 3 to the 1 is 75. We know 5 square is 25. 25 times 3 is equal. What happened? 75. What will be the result when we multiply these two? 75 is equal to 75. Yes, indeed. What did we find the right answer? Our question was asked in the past. Very sweet one. Question, guys. Don't forget to like and follow my channel. But before that, I will ask you one question. If there was a time machine, would you like to meet Gauss or Cantor? Please don't forget to write it in the comments. Like and follow, and I also expect you to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.